Hey my freckle beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming again with another unboxing video on this SunBer, sorry, hair company. They sent me this wig. It is a silk based fake scalp T-part 16-inch body wave natural color. And the boxing looks like this. And when I open it, it looks like this. So this hair was body wave. I did flat iron it off camera. The hair is really soft and silky. And again, they have the fake scalp. This time, I am going to apply this wig with the fake scalp on and let you guys know how it looks. So I know you haven't had the chance to see how it looks with the fake scalp. And when I can say on camera with the fake scalp, it looks pretty natural. And it has 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 at the bottom. It has this little bit of lace at the bottom of the wig. It's a really nice wig. If I flip it inside out, you see the construction of the wig. They did a really nice job with that. And I'm not going to show you guys the parting space anymore because you guys have seen T-part wigs on my channel like numerous of times. So this was inside the wig. It also came with wig caps. You all know that they always send wig caps. And it came with this really cute headband. Like, it's really nice. So yes, that's everything that came in this package. So to get this hair, this exact wig, if you want it, all the information would be in the description box below. The company, the link to this wig, coupon code. So go ahead and just check that out. And let's get into the video. Okay, so before I get started installing it, I am going to be using my brush to push back all of the hair. I would use my hot comb, but honestly, I forgot to grab it. So I'm just going to push it all back. And then after I do that, I'm going to take my shears, which I need to get some more of, and you're just going to cut. So boom, here it is. And on my skin, it looks like that. You can still see the knots, but like I said, it's okay. We will worry about that later. So also I decided to come and bring you guys the natural black color that they send it in instead of like dyeing it right away, because I just personally don't like black hair because my hair isn't black and I think I just look crazy with black hair. But I guess, you know, I'll just go ahead and give you guys a just raw and uncut video on this hair. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pin this back. Everything is in my pocket, y'all. So Okay. So this is the final. This is how I'm gonna just do it today. It's a really cute wig. It's really soft. It's really soft. It's giving me you nice hair. Like the texture of it is definitely giving me you nice. It's really cute. Okay. So you guys, this is the final for the SunBer hair company. It was really easy to install. As you guys can see, the lace is really nice. The fake scalp is really nice. So if you would like to like use the fake scalp and not bleach the knots, take it off or whatever, because I know it's only videos going around about like, you know, taking off the fake scalp. It doesn't look natural. I think it doesn't look that bad if you just, you know, really not hair savvy, like, you know, you're not experienced and you don't want to like do all of that bleach knots. You don't know how to do that. Wearing the fake scalp would definitely, it would pass. Like, honestly, it doesn't look that wiggy to me. It doesn't look, girl, like, go bleach them knots to me. Like, it looks okay. It looks good. SunBer Hair definitely did a good job with this wig, with the construction of it. It's really nice, really bouncy. You can tell that it was body wave at first because it's really, really, really silky. I know body wave and wave hair period, when you flatten it, is still really silky. So I will give this a 10 out of 10. Definitely for the price. And I would definitely leave everything in the description box below, like the details of this hair, the price, the description of it. Everything would be in the description box below. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please go ahead and subscribe. Give me a comment a heart, and also give me some more video ideas so I can go ahead and keep pushing out content for you guys. Thank you guys for watching.